Welcome to Forex Trend Atlas. Each weekend, we focus on the big picture, from the quarterly down to the daily charts, using well-known technical tools. Now, let's begin with this week's outlook. Here is the 3-month chart of EURUSD, also called the quarterly chart. As shown here, I see this as a breakout above the long-term downtrend. The key high is around 1.2320. Unless price breaks above this level, we cannot confirm a clear shift into a long-term uptrend. For now, I consider the quarterly chart to be in a broad trendless state between current levels and 1.2320. Next, let's move to the monthly chart. Here too, the downtrend seen on the quarterly chart has been broken to the upside. On this time frame, the notable high is the green zone around 1.22 to 1.25. And the notable low is the blue zone around 1.09 to 1.12. I consider the market to be range-bound, or trendless, within this zone. If price clearly breaks out of either side, I will expect the start of a new trend. Now let's look at the weekly chart. Here, price can be seen within an ascending channel. Currently, it is touching the upper boundary of the channel and consolidating. If price breaks above the recent high and pushes through the channel top, it could head toward the 1.22 to 1.25 area on the monthly chart. However, at the weekly level, the major level to watch is around 1.12, marked by this horizontal line. A pullback to this area should be kept in mind. But if price closes below it, we could see a corrective decline within the channel, with the lower boundary, around 1.05, serving as the next key area. On the daily chart, the uptrend that began at the start of 2025 is still technically intact. Recently, we could draw an upward trend line, but since the end of September, price has broken below it. Because of that, I've paused my bullish bias for now, and am taking a more neutral stance. To the upside, it would be safer to stay cautious until price breaks clearly above the recent high around 1.192. On the downside, the 1.159 area is acting as both support and resistance, and we saw a brief rebound from this zone late last week. However, if price falls below this level, it could signal a shift in the daily bias, so caution is advised. Overall, both the weekly and daily uptrends appear to be entering their late phase. This is not an ideal environment for aggressive buying. As always, let's stay calm and focused, and approach the markets with a long-term perspective this week as well. Thank you for watching today's analysis. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for updates. Let's continue to approach the markets with patience and discipline. See you in the next outlook.